Okay, and here we have F-A-C-E, face in a space. So every good boy does fine on a line, F-A-C-E, face in a space. So let me fix this one a little bit. Make sure they are in between those lines. There you go. Oh, Vinny was trying to help. Thank you, Vin. Oh, you got to stretch out? Thank you. And Nolan would like to help too. Nolan would like to help. All right, so what we're going to do is this. Let me take this out. Okay, we have my lines and spaces here. So I'm going to ask you to put a note on each of the 4 spaces. So we're going to use our pennies. So I'm going to put one there, in between, one in between, one in between, and one in between. And when you read notes, it's like reading words on the page of a book. You read from left to right. So that's why I didn't put them all like this. If I were to put them all like this in music, you would play or sing them at the same time. So I'm going to leave spaces like that, and I'm going to move them across. So that's F-A-C-E, face in a space. Those are spaces. Now for lines, we'll see how well it sits on top of the fettuccine. Might be easier on our spaghetti. Let me see here. All right. So we've got one. Every good boy, sorry, there you go. Every good boy does fine on a line. So there we go. Now what we can do with this is we can make words, and I'm going to show you how to do that. I think I have to stop and then turn this around, but we're going to look at some words. We're going to look at different, let's see. There's a 3-letter word, for example, B-A-G, bag. Now, if I wanted to show you B-A-G on my cookie sheet here, okay? Here I've got this. I want to find B-A-G. So I'm going to think about, where's B? Every good boy. So that's the third line. Every good boy. So that's the blue line. See, the ones with colors are a little easier to remember, but every good boy. A, well, think about our spaces. F-A, A is the second space. Okay, and G, B-A-G. So every good will be second line here. So there we have B-A-G, bag. Okay, there you go. All right, I'm going to flip it around in a minute, and we're going to do some examples together.